Imagine opening Google Maps and having it already know where you want to go, not because you typed it, but because it understands your habits, your calendar, and even the weather. That future is arriving now, as Google injects powerful generative AI into every layer of its mapping platform, turning a simple navigation tool into an intuitive travel companion. From live views AR arrows that overlay directly onto the street, to immersive views photorealistic 3D cityscapes you can explore before you step outside, Google Maps now offers eco-friendly routing that minimizes carbon emissions, and personalized recommendations that surface cafes, parks, or events based on your real-time context. Each clip demonstrates how AI is turning raw map data into a living, responsive experience. The biggest surprise? An AI-driven predictive travel companion that anticipates your next move before you even think about it, suggesting a coffee break when your calendar shows a gap, rerouting you around a sudden storm, or reminding you to pick up groceries on the way home. It's not just reacting, it's learning, planning, and acting on your behalf. What this means for you is faster, smarter journeys that feel less like navigating and more like having a personal concierge in your pocket. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the technology behind these features, the privacy safeguards, and how you can start using them today and see how AI is reshaping the future of travel for everyone. Imagine walking toward a cafe you've searched for. As you approach, Gemini highlights the shop's name in a bright badge, shows the distance to the door, and flashes a turn arrow when you reach the intersection. If a construction zone blocks the sidewalk, the AI instantly reroutes you, updating the AR labels in real time so you stay on the best path without missing a beat. Google Maps now pulls in petabytes of data, historical speed profiles, live GPS feeds, road sensor readings, weather reports, and even city event calendars, to train a deep learning model that anticipates where and when traffic will build up, turning reactive navigation into a foresight engine. The system continuously retrains itself every few minutes, incorporating new observations to keep its forecasts accurate as conditions change. At its core, the model uses a spatiotemporal graph neural network that treats each road segment as a node and traffic flow as edges, learning how congestion propagates through the network. By feeding recent speed patterns and upcoming events into this graph, the AI forecasts travel times for the next 1530 minutes with high confidence, updating predictions as new data arrives. When the forecast spots a looming jam on your current route, the optimizer instantly evaluates dozens of alternatives, weighting each by predicted travel time, fuel consumption, and user preferences like avoiding tolls or favoring scenic roads. If a better option emerges, Maps pushes a proactive notification and preloads the new directions, so you're already on the optimal path before congestion hits. Drivers see the suggestion appear as a subtle banner at the top of the screen, with a one-tap accept that swaps the route instantly. Early trials show up to 12% reduction in average travel time and a measurable drop in emissions, all while keeping location data anonymized and processed on-device whenever possible to protect privacy. Google Maps continuously watches where you go, when you leave, and how you travel, building a private profile of your routines. By combining check-in history, search queries, and anonymized sensor data, the AI learns that you grab a latte every Tuesday morning and prefer bike lanes on sunny afternoons, turning raw location traces into actionable habits. At 8:15 a.m. on a Tuesday, Maps notices your usual coffee window is approaching and detects a highly rated cafe 2 blocks from your office that matches your taste for oat milk drinks. It pops a discrete card showing the drink, estimated walk time, and a quick add button so you can save the stop without breaking your flow. Beyond caffeine, the AI scans your calendar and interests, spotting a free slot Thursday evening and a pop-up jazz concert nearby that aligns with your music preferences. It suggests adding the event to your timeline, offers a one-tap ticket link, and preloads a route that gets you there with time to spare for a pre-show drink. If a sudden rainstorm threatens your usual bike route, Maps reroutes you through a sheltered arcade that also passes a bookstore you've browsed before, turning an inconvenience into a mini-adventure. The detour card highlights the extra distance, estimated time, and the chance to earn a badge for exploring new spots. Google's new AI features run on a privacy-first foundation. Wherever possible, data is processed on your device, and any information that leaves your phone is stripped of identifiers and aggregated using differential privacy techniques. This means the system learns patterns without ever seeing your personal details, keeping your location history under your control while still delivering smarter suggestions. The rollout begins with a limited beta in the United States and Canada during Q3 2025, gathering real-world feedback before expanding to Europe and Asia in early 2026. By mid-2026 the full suite of AI-powered features will be available worldwide, released in stages so each update can be refined and monitored for performance and privacy compliance. For you, this means faster, greener trips and helpful suggestions that respect your privacy, no trade-off required. Stay ahead of the curve by trying the new AI tools as they arrive, and keep learning about how AI is reshaping everyday tech. If you found this useful, hit subscribe and ring the bell for more deep dives into the future of navigation.